My setup's kind of a mess, so I'm going to upgrade it today. I got this big Mount Dog light stand here, and then I got a couple of lights and a microphone stand mounted to my desk. This is actually a pretty nice setup with these stands for the lights and for the mic. The problem is, if I want to record from a different angle, all this stuff's in the way. So I got a Soonpho heavy-duty light stand. So yeah, now I got a really clean setup here. My desk doesn't have anything on it, and then I got this really nice heavy-duty stand. But this thing was a little bit tricky to put together. Let me go ahead and show you how it works. This thing has a steel frame and a boom arm. It has two brackets on here, one that goes to the top of the stand to connect to the light stand there, and then the other one I could put on the back end of the boom arm to connect a mic stand to. So that's pretty cool. It's really versatile. This thing's really nice. It's got a heavy-duty base there with 3 wheels on it, with locking wheels. It even comes with a sandbag. So yeah, this thing's pretty heavy-duty. So yeah, I got my camera down here, and then I got my mic stand with the Deity mic on it. Yeah, this thing's huge. This is a really versatile setup. All right, let me go ahead and show you how I put it together. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty much all metal. There are some plastic parts in here. I noticed I found a little piece of plastic in here, and it turns out it was one of these little clips that had got damaged in shipping. But I didn't buy this for the clips. I bought it for the stand, and it is a nice solid metal stand. And everything's metal on here. The only plastic is this little handle right here, but everything else is metal. So we'll go ahead and finish opening it up and see how it all came out. Okay, I got it all unpackaged and everything looks great. I don't see any other problems. The only issue was that one little clip broke, the handle there, but the clip still works. And so it's certainly not a deal breaker here. All this is metal. All these are metal. The only plastic is the little nibs, and that seems like that's in pretty good shape. That's a real hard plastic. And then the feet there are plastic, but everything else is metal, except for, of course, the sandbag. That feels like that's vinyl. But yeah, this is really nice. It's got some foam up here on there, but this is all metal. All right, now we'll just put it together. You want to be able to just pull this apart like that, but if you're having trouble with it, you can loosen up these Allen keys a little bit and get them to just where you want them. But don't make them too tight or it won't open, and don't make them too loose or it'll be rattly. So you kind of play around with it and get it just right. It didn't come with an Allen key, so that's something you might want to keep with it if you're going to take it portable and move it around, so that way you can adjust it if you need to. But yeah, pretty nice. Really compact, and then you can open it up just like that. All right, these wheels seem pretty nice. They got a nice rubber wheel, which is good because I'm going to be using this on my hardwood flooring here. And then it's got the clamp right there to go on the base, to go on the feet. Those seem pretty nice. All right, just tighten this up here. Got one more to go. Yeah, that rolls really good. All right, next we'll put the big piece in. This is the heavy one. Make sure this is loosened up down here so it fits. This may be too tight on here when I was messing around with it. I may have tightened this up here. We'll loosen that up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, so I was messing around with this to loosen everything up, and I got it a little tight there. We'll see if I tighten it back up if it comes in and out. Yeah, if you got it too tight there, it won't come in and out very well. So like I said, keep an Allen key with you so you can adjust it. And then it comes in and out there. But if you feel like that's wobbly and you want to tighten it up, then it might make it too tight for the pole there to come apart. All right, we got that in good. So yeah, if you adjust it so that you can open it and close it easier and you make it too tight, you might have trouble getting that pole in there. So that's just something to be prepared for. This is the spring-loaded arm here. Oh wow, yeah, did you see how that popped up? That's pretty cool. Same thing here. Yeah, that's pretty nice. All right, I got 9-foot tall ceilings, and I think this thing will poke a hole in the ceiling if I'm not careful here. So yeah, that's almost up to the ceiling already right there. Yeah, so that's 9 feet. I can't go any higher than that. It's got a pretty nice spring in there. Just bounces up and down like that. Watch your fingers though. You could put your light right on top of here, but it also comes with some more hardware here. So you can put this on here. Like that there. And then you can put the pole on here. The pole comes with 2 ends here. One's got a rubber piece on it. And then the other one's got some screws on there, some threads. There's a little hole in here you want to make sure these line up into so you can tighten it. And then you can put your hole in there. And get it just where you want it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the Mount Dog light up on there and see how it fits. This thing's huge. You can see it here with the Mount Dog softbox on there. Barely clears the fan there. It could go a little bit lower. I don't have it bottomed out here, but I think this could go down in here a little bit more. When I put this arm on here to connect the softbox, I also added the second bracket on here, and I connected my mic stand. So there's 2 different holes in here, right? You got the bigger holes, and then you got the smaller holes. So I put the mic stand fit in the smaller hole there, and so I got the mic stand on here, and I got my DD mic on here with my wireless connector. I'm using the Avaloxcon wireless mic there, so that way I can have the light and the mic mobile, so I can just roll it around to wherever I need to be. But yeah, this thing's pretty tall. I got an 8-foot reach here, and this is taller than me. The ceiling's 9 feet, and this will go taller than our ceiling. And I got the wireless mic set up on here, so no matter where I go, I can get good volume. So yeah, this is pretty nice. I can just move this thing all around here. This is pretty cool. I can add at least one more arm on here. I think I'll get one for a camera, so that way I can have a camera on here too. Then the whole thing will just be a mobile studio. And then I used a small rig on here to connect to camera. So I got my camera, and then I got my mic stand there, and then I got my light up here. So yeah, this thing's pretty nice. A lot cleaner setup than what I had before in here. So yeah, my desk is nice and clean, and I just got this one stand up here with all my stuff on it.